Let's say you're a student who is interested as a freelancer. However, you are not good at communicating with others. This ultimately results in losing productive projects, and that has been affecting your finances. To correct this, you need a comprehensive lecture on the 7 C's of communication. Let's discuss some of the common reasons why we need to communicate with others. You may want to persuade an audience to accept your point of view, or you may want to instruct an audience by directing actions. Your purpose is to convey facts, concerns, or questions you or your audience might have. Or you are trying to build trust and rapport by managing work relationships. These are succinctly put into the 7 C's of communication, which are clarity, conciseness, completeness, concreteness, correctness, consideration, and courtesy. This lecture covers a detailed description of the first 3 C's: clarity, conciseness, and completeness. Clarity can be achieved by writing short, simple, fluent sentences and paragraphs. This C is interconnected with the principles of completeness and concreteness. By clarity, we mean that a broader picture must be supplemented for details. Clarity of your thoughts and ideas is another important feature to consider. A way to achieve clarity is by making use of exact, appropriate, and concrete words in your writing. The Lucey Approach, which stands for length, unity, coherence, and emphasis, is another way to achieve clarity. In this approach, you must keep a balanced length in your details, maintain unity with theme, keep content coherent, and emphasize important points. Conciseness is all about getting to the point. This C is linked with concreteness and consideration. By definition, you are concise if the words you choose are as minimum as possible. This can be achieved by avoiding wordiness, redundancy, and filler words. For example, the phrase "due to the fact" can be replaced with the single word "because." The obvious benefits are saving time and cost. The third C, completeness, is achieved when nothing important is missed out. The completeness C requires the content to be determined on the basis of the nature of its audience. It is necessary to answer all the questions being asked, furthermore, giving extra information if desirable. In the next lecture, you will be learning about the remaining 4 C's of communication.